So obviously, we're making a bougie bacon sandwich today, which is rich and delicious. There's a whole bunch of different flavours going on. So we're going to start by sticking up smoked bacon in the grill, and while that's doing its thing, we're going to sort out our eggs. And I live in the country, so you already know we're using the freshest eggs about. Back in the kitchen, we're going to remove the bacon when it's just about cooked, and give it a little drizzle of sweet chilli sauce, a sprinkle of grated mature cheddar, and some sliced Gouda cheese. Stick that back under the grill to get it all melty and bubbly, and then heat a pan with olive oil over a medium-high heat. Crack your egg in and cook it to your desired doneness, seasoning it well with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next up, we're putting our bread in the toaster for a light crust. Put them together in the same slot so the outside gets crispy and the inside stays warm and chewy. Once you've toasted it lightly, get ready to assemble the sandwich. Start by laying your bacon on the soft side of your bread, followed by a healthy squirting of ketchup, and then slide your egg in on top of that. I'm going to be using the last of my Tabasco on the sandwich, but honestly it is really worth it. It just works really well. Give it a decent drizzle, and depending on how much spice you like. There it is, the next level bacon sandwich, oozing with runny egg, melting cheese, smoky bacon, and hints of heat coming from Tabasco and the sweet chili sauce. Big old thank you again to Reece for the track in this video. His links are going to be in the description. Massive thanks for watching everyone. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Quarantine Cooks.